unboxing the new lighting hook from Biohazard.
I love how it's all like stickers. It's like fresh wood smell. Let's see if we can. All right. Jesus. It even comes with a regular top sled.
Just a little detail.
The owner is only allowed to open. Have you registered at the Kendo Shop yet?
Have you?
About to.
Another cool thing on the box that this stuff, it's not like printed, but they are stickers. They have attached it to give it a real feel. Massive.
Wow.
Absolutely massive.
Jesus.
This is really
The prototype phase 1 model. And even right here it has the engravings.
It's actually
That's just so... Oh my god.
enormous.
That's...
10 inches of barrel on a handgun that is already quite big. I mean,
Yeah, that's absolutely incredible.
they're
And
quite,
it's even cool that it comes with the original top slide too. With all the original inners too.
pretty much a chrome slide, but I mean, I guess it will have...
With glow sights?
Oh, glow sights?
Yeah.
Did you notice the back one on that 10-inch barrel, which actually it's like a match grade sights that can be adjusted with the screws. Really, 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 really cool.
The chrome mag as well.
So, should we try it?
Oh, absolutely, yes.
Okay.